Dr. John Hayes, and once again, welcome. Today we're going to spend some time talking about laser or light therapy in general. You know, we recently published an article on laser therapy that you probably want to read. We mentioned the fact that laser has been around since the 1960s as a tool, but its utilization in healthcare is relatively new, meaning the last 30 years or so. The advantage that laser therapy has over some of the other methods that are currently used for pain control is that it's non-invasive. It most of the time works relatively quickly, and probably the biggest advantage with laser therapy is it's non-invasive. It doesn't require any piercing of the skin and injections and so on and so forth. There are numerous laser devices out there. Some of these I'm sure you've seen online, but today I wanted to mention the tools that we use because we get questions all the time, both online, offline, in our private practice and so on, about why is laser therapy so effective and how do you administer it. Well, laser is simply using specific machines or devices to deliver light energy into tissue. Now, I know it sounds very, very simple. For those of us old enough to remember the original Star Trek, you know, laser and light therapy really was demonstrated then. And a lot of what we saw back then in science fiction has really turned out to be true, meaning that light energy, laser, infrared, etc., has tremendous healing powers, tremendous power against inflammation, and a whole host of other disorders. In fact, the area of laser research is probably expanding faster than almost anything else in healthcare right now. It is a tremendous tool, and it's been a major, major advance for patients who suffer many different forms of chronic pain, spinal conditions. Neuropathy in particular, when properly administered, can be very positively influenced by laser. Now, you've seen some of our patient testimonials over the years, you've seen some of our articles and so on, and today I'm just going to give you just a brief demonstration of one of the tools that we have found to be extraordinarily helpful. What you see here, this is a Thor LX2 laser. We are very, very proud to mention the Thor name. Thor and its founder James Carroll have done more for laser therapy than any other company out there around the world. We have other devices that we use occasionally. In fact, now we use them almost never because the combination of the LX2 here that you see along with full body infrared has been such a big boon in pain management. The way that the laser gets administered is very important, and we'll have another video on that, but also the person administering the laser is extremely important. Laser or light energy is only as effective as the person who programs the machine and the person delivering it, because if laser is delivered in a sloppy manner, if it's delivered haphazardly, etc., not only can you not have benefit, but like anything else, there's a potential downside, meaning it's simply not going to work. In any event, one of the things that makes this system so powerful, especially in spine and orthopedic therapy, is that it has several different laser heads, so to speak. This is called the 1 watt, which has been tremendously valuable for large joints, knees, shoulders, hips, and so on, spine, etc. The other thing that's another huge advantage with this particular system is the pinpoint laser. And the pinpoint laser has really helped neuropathy treatment tremendously because we're able to administer, for example, laser directly along the nerves of the hands, the wrists, etc., and similarly in the feet. And also, we do treat patients with facial and TMJ issues with the pinpoint laser. So once again, laser therapy, light energy, simply harnessing light at certain wavelengths to deliver healing energy, so to speak, into tissues has a profound effect, as it turns out, in the human body and animals as well. You know, there is such a large usage of laser therapy in veterinary medicine now, which you may have read about and seen about too, even at your local vets. So once again, thanks for being with us. Please post your questions below about laser therapy. We'll try to answer as many as we can, and I think this is a really good place to spend some more time on. We'll even give you some demonstrations if you'd like to see that. Okay, so let us know. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.